How to uninstall the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora app to edit your photos or videos and now want to uninstall it for some reasons and don't want to use it and you don't know how to do it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, locate the Filmora app on your home screen, just like this. After finding it, keep on tapping on the app, just like this. After that, here you can find Remove App. Now tap on it. Now to delete the app, simply tap on to Delete App, just right here. After that, you will get one more confirmation asking about deleting the Filmora app. Then tap on to Delete, just like this. And now you can see the Filmora app has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can uninstall the Filmora app on your mobile phone. It is a very easy process, right? And if you want to download it once again or install it, then you can simply go to your App Store or Play Store and download it from there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.